Hello, I'm Mark Zidon, and this is a PowerPoint presentation on reading the Vernier Caliper. This is a Vernier Caliper. There are 4 steps to reading the caliper. The first step is to determine the number of inches. Then find the tenths of an inch, which is the same as 100,000ths of an inch. The third step is to find the 25,000ths of an inch. This is 0, 25, 50, or 75 thousandths of an inch. The fourth step is to read the Veneer scale and determine the thousandths of an inch. So this is how to read the caliper. Start the reading at the 0 mark on the Veneer scale. This is important to note because sometimes a person begins reading at the edge of the jaw. The correct position is to start at the 0 on the Veneer scale. The beginning point is to the left of the 1 inch mark, so we are at 0 inches. The 0 on the Veneer scale is between the 8 and 9 tenths of an inch, so we can record 8 tenths of an inch or 800 thousandths of an inch. There are 4 spaces between the 8 and the 9 tenths of an inch. We are past 1 mark, so we will record 25 thousandths of an inch. Finally, we will take a close look at the Veneer scale. The animated picture shows a bit of an exaggeration for effect. Notice that the 15 does not line up with a line directly above it. The 12, however, does. So we will add 12 thousandths of an inch. Now add the numbers together and you will get 837 thousandths of an inch, or 0.837 inches. An electronic digital caliper can give you the same information. It is a more expensive tool that is easier to use, but can sometimes give you misleading information if it is not set correctly. Let's try a reading from a Real Caliper. The bottom scale is the English scale. The 0 mark on the Veneer caliper is where we begin. We are past 1 inch. We are also past 4 tenths of an inch. And we are past 1 mark, or 25 thousandths of an inch. So before we begin to read the Veneer scale, we have 1.425 inches. The line on the Veneer scale that lines up best is 5 thousandths. Note that several lines look like they could line up. Lines from 3 to 7 thousandths seem to line up. However, the best line is the 5. So we add 0.005 or 5 thousandths of an inch to 1.425. The answer is 1.430 inches, or 1 inch and 430 thousandths of an inch. This time we will use a metric scale, which is the upper scale. The 0 line on the scale is the beginning point and is past 3 centimeters. It is also past 6 tenths of a centimeter. So before we begin to read the Veneer scale, we have 3.60 centimeters. The line on the Veneer scale that lines up the best is the 3. This is 3/100ths of a centimeter. Adding these two together, we have 3.63 centimeters. This concludes the directions for reading the Veneer caliper.